Hello ladies, it's Stella, and today is our Treasure Island Challenge Day. So today I thought I'd do a short video to tell you what the next stage is going to be. This is week 6, I think it is. This is where I've got to so far, and this is where I hope you've got to as well. But if you haven't, don't worry, because you can soon catch up. We have tea dyed 12 sheets of A4 paper, and we have coloured the same number of pages blue, and I've put them together into 3 signatures, the ones that I've done, and so I thought I would show you because it's easier for you to see what we're actually aiming at. So the sheets are folded this way, landscape, so that the pictures can go in the top right hand corner and the top left hand corner. That way we can make the pockets down here. And I've put mine into here like this: tea dyed blue, tea dyed blue, and so on. It doesn't really matter, it's not that important, you can do it the way you want. But with 24 sheets, that gives us 3 signatures, each with 8 sheets in, and it's easier to show you than tell you. And by now, as I say, you should have put the pictures on. They won't all have pictures on because we're going to make some journal cards, some pockets, and some little tuck spots for the flashcards that we made the other week. But I just wanted you to see, if you've been keeping up, then this is where you should be at this stage. And I'm quite pleased with the way these have come out. I've got some pictures of the ship, the Victory, that I went on in Portsmouth last autumn, and I can share some of those with you if you're interested. So this is the basic journal. This is what we've got, and I want to get to a certain stage before we actually sew it into the cover, or indeed make the cover itself. It's going to be a simple way of doing the cover. Obviously you can make it as complicated as you want. If you want to embellish the cover with lots of fancy bits, you can. I have been struggling to find any fancy bits to put on mine. I did, however, have a bit of luck the other day, and I'll show you what I did find. Just wait a minute. I was in a shop and I found a starfish, and I thought that would be absolutely perfect. If I can manage to get it stuck on the cover, that would be a start for the cover, and that might be the only thing I do find, but I keep looking, and now might be the time for you to keep your eyes open as well for looking for things like this that you can decorate your cover with. This obviously isn't the cover, but it's about the right size, you see, and it's going to be rather nice, I thought. So that's that. I've now got my 3 signatures. This is the second one, and I've done some stitching here for the waves. This is where you can start using your creativity, because this week I want you to decorate the blue sheets. This page with the dolphins on it, I painted blue, that's watercolour, on top of the already dyed blue sheet, and I happen to have acquired a dolphin stamp, which I think has worked quite well on this page. So that's the kind of thing I want you to be doing this week if you're interested. It allows you to use your artistic talents for the first time. You can do whatever you like because it's your journal that you can either keep or sell for charity or give to someone for their birthday or whatever. But if you start doing that now, decorating some of the blue pages, and then week by week we're going to build up. We're going to do a bit of decoupage, we're going to put some pockets in, we're going to maybe put some other fancy pages in that you can find, and that's going to be a lot of fun. There's my crab. I traced that because I didn't have a crab stamp. And while I'm looking at that crab, I did say one of the weeks that if anybody had got a stamp, let's say with a crab or whatever, if you stamp it on a piece of paper and take a photograph of it and upload it into files, I can tell you how to do that if you don't know, then we can all use that image. We can share what we've got, because over here in England we don't have a lot of things like that, and keep going on about that, but it's so true. When I was in Tennessee, there were so many shops, Hobby Lobby, there was Joann's, there was Michael's, there was something Tuesdays, and I was like in an Aladdin's cave almost. But over here it's not like that, I'm afraid, and we have to scrounge and scramble around to find anything. So you don't have to send the stamps around, but if you can stamp something on a piece of paper, put it in files, we can all download it and use it. Those of us that are taking part anyway. So that's the second one. So see, we've got the basic pages, and this one's the third one, and this is a work in progress. On this sheet I painted some palm trees, and that's going to be folded over, and I've not finished with it. I'm either going to do some coconuts on the ground, or a spade in digging, or even a treasure box. I don't think I'm up to drawing a little man or a woman. I might have a go, but I don't want to ruin what I've already done. So that's the third one. And then in there, I did experiment. I took a photograph of my goldfish tank. I was trying to get some weed and what it looked like, so it didn't come out too badly. So that's sort of under the water kind of picture. More tea dye. That, you see, I've used paper that was in my bookkeeping folder. I'm going to decoupage over that one. This tea dyed. You can get these pages on my Etsy store if you want to, or do your own, and so on. So this is what you should have up to now. Okay, 3 signatures with 8 sheets in each, folded over landscape with some little pictures on. And this week we are decorating the blue ones. You don't have to do them all, just do some to add interest. So that's this week's Treasure Island challenge. Over to you.